Well, one of the key words this year is change. And I believe the industry is in for significant change. So we need to provide energy to a growing population, a more affluent population. But we also need to provide affordable energy to bring hundreds of millions, if not billions of people out of poverty. And we need to do that in a way so that we stay within planetary boundaries. So I believe that in the future we'll see heavy-duty vehicles like ships, trains and trucks running on gas in the form of LNG or CNG, and light vehicles running on electricity. This will for sure lower the emissions of CO2, and it will also, in a sense, save very precious oil for more important purposes. The oil and gas industry and society needs to agree on the long-term target, because after all, the oil and gas industry is here to serve society. So once we have agreed on the long-term targets, we will need innovation, we will need collaboration, and we would need smart legislation to reach these targets, say, towards 2050.